Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful lace top. It's lightweight enough to wear in summer, and this project is very easy and quick to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use Cristallo from Mondial. In these two colors you can find all information that you need in the description box, and a 5.5mm hook. Okay, now pay attention. We must have a number of stitch multiple of 8 plus 5, so now chain 77. Okay, now we do one double crochet in the fourth chain from hook. Then we continue to do one double crochet in each chain along the row. Okay, now we're going to change the color. So first we do the last double crochet and we leave 2 loops on the hook. Then wrap the new color around the end of the hook and pull the new yarn through the loops to start the new color. I do a simple knot with the ends of the two colors in this way. So now chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we do one double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Okay, now chain 3, then we skip the next stitch, then we do one treble crochet into the next one. Now we skip the next one, then we do one treble crochet into the next. Chain 3, then we skip the next, then we do one double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now repeat this sequence. So chain 3, then we skip the next stitch, then we do one treble crochet into the next. To start our treble crochet we want to wrap the yarn around your hook twice. And now we skip the next stitch, then we do another treble crochet into the next one. Now chain 3, then we skip the next stitch, then we do one double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And continue to do this until the end of this row. Now we skip the stitches, then we do 1 double crochet into the last 3 stitches. Now chain 3. Remember, this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work. Now we do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now chain 3. Then we do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches over the treble crochet of the previous row. Chain 3, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now we're going to repeat this sequence, so let's repeat together one more time. Chain 3, then we do 1 single crochet into each treble crochet of the previous row, 1 and 2, chain 3 once again, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and continue to do this until the end of this row. Okay, now chain 3. Remember, this counts as your first double crochet. Then turn the garment over. And now we do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, as we did before. Now chain 1. Then we do 1 treble double crochet into the first single crochet of the previous row, chain 1, then we do another treble double crochet in the second single crochet of the previous round, chain 1 once again, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now let's repeat together one more time. So chain 1, then we do 1 treble double crochet into the first stitch, the single crochet of the previous row, chain 1, then we do another treble double crochet into the second single crochet of the previous row, chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay, now pay attention because we are going to change color again. We continue with blue color, so grab the blue yarn and insert the yarn as we did before. So now chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the garment over. Then we do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now we do 1 double crochet into chain 1 space of the previous row, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into chain 1 space, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into chain 1 space of the previous row. And now we do 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches as we did before. So let's repeat this sequence together one more time. So we do 1 double crochet in chain 1 space of the previous row, 1 double crochet in the treble double crochet of the previous row, 1 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, then we do 1 double crochet into the treble double crochets and in the chain 1 space again, then we do 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay, so all we have to do now is to repeat these rows until we will have a total of 8 stripes, or until we reach the height about 40 centimeters. Okay, now we have a total of 8 stripes, and this panel is about 60 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters long. And now we are going to do 10 rows more of double crochet to complete this first panel. So first chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch along. And continue to do this for a total of 10 rows. Okay, now the first panel is done, do the second as the first, and now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave all the tails inside the garment using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we take the 2 panels and now we are ready to take the shoulder measurement. We place a marker to the top about 70 centimeters from the corner, and then do the same on the other side. And now let's take the measurement of the armhole. On the left side, I attach a marker about 18 centimeters from the corner at the blue line here. And then do the same on the right side. So now grab your tapestry needle, then sew all these parts. Okay, now turn the garment inside out and the Cristallo top is ready to wear. This is a great project for spring and summer season, and remember, this yarn is made of microfiber and viscose, and for this reason it looks bright and shiny, smooth and cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Cristallo top. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!